How do you convert a mixed number into an improper fraction? What about converting an improper fraction into a mixed number? Ugh, math sometimes stresses me out. So let's plant a peaceful bamboo garden and chill while we review how to do this. Okay, let's start with 5 3/4 or 3/4 stalks of bamboo. What do we already know just by looking at this mixed number? Yeah, 5 is our whole number. Okay, so 5 stalks of bamboo. But what about the fraction part? The denominator is 4, so that means our bamboo stalks are split up into 4 equal parts. We have 5 whole bamboo stalks and 3/4 of a stalk. Okay, one way we can convert this into an improper fraction is by counting up the fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, so 23/4. 5 3/4 is equal to 23/4. But we can't always draw all this bamboo whenever we need to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, so let's take a look at this mathematically. If you think about the 4 times tables, we know that 4 times 5 equals 20. Then we can add 3 more fourths, and we get 23/4. So to change a mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we add the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Give it a try with this one, 6 2/3. Yeah, let's multiply 3 times 6, which equals 18, and then we add 2, so we get 20/3. But what does 20/3 look like? Let's plant some more bamboo. Our denominator is 3, so this time our bamboo stalks will be split up into 3 equal parts. How many thirds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're getting pretty close. We need to add 2 more thirds to get to 20. So that's 6 whole stalks and 2/3 of a stalk. 6 2/3. And of course, we can also think about this one mathematically. 20/3 is actually a division problem. It's 20 divided by 3. Or we could think, how many times can 3 fit into 20? And how much do we have remaining? Right, it's like division with remainders. Or you can think about the 3 times tables. We know that 3 times 6 equals 18, which is pretty close to 20. It's only 2 away. So there are 2/3 remaining, 6 2/3. So to change an improper fraction into a mixed number, we divide the numerator by the denominator and put the remainder over that same denominator. Or we can think about how many times the denominator can fit into the numerator and then note what's left over. Give this one a try. Can you convert 17/5 into a mixed number? What would you do first? Right, divide 17 by 5, or think about how many times 5 can fit into 17. We know that 5 times 3 equals 15, which gets us pretty close to 17, with 2 remaining. So 17/5 is equal to 3 2/5. Awesome. Now let's change it back into an improper fraction. Do you remember how we do that? Yeah, 5 times 3 plus 2. Awesome job. So anytime mixed numbers or improper fractions are stressing you out, just go to a peaceful place and plant some bamboo. And now you can solve it mathematically too.